Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I saw this arbitrage trade opportunity a few hours ago, and I just feel like to share it to everyone so that you guys can also take part in it. The arbitrage trade is between PancakeSwap and the West Haven Exchange. With this arbitrage, you are guaranteed of making 30% of your profits. That means if you purchase the coin I'm going to show you in this video with $1,000, you are going to make a profit of $300. And if you purchase with $500, you're going to make a profit of $150. And if you purchase the coin with $100, you're going to make a profit of $30. Please note, this is a limited opportunity. The offer ends in 16 days from the time of publishing this video, with only 11,000 worth of tokens left. So click on the link which I'll put in the description to purchase this token as soon as possible so that you will not miss out. Like I said earlier, the trade is between West Haven Exchange and PancakeSwap. We buy at a cheaper rate from West Haven Exchange and we sell it at PancakeSwap with at least 30% profit. And the coin we are going to use for this trade is called Sharpron Jet. Yes, Sharpron Jet, that's the token we are going to use for this trade. The symbol is SJET, S-J-E-T, SJET. This coin, Sharpron Jet, have been listed on PancakeSwap, Frost Trade, and the West Haven Exchange. First of all, let me take you to PoolCoin chart and show you the current price of this coin. This is a PoolCoin chart of Sharpron Jet, as you can see it here. The current price of this Sharpron Jet, this token, is 0.000841170. So this is the current price where you can sell it at PancakeSwap. So but at West Haven Exchange, we are going to buy this token at a discount of 30% discount. So when we buy it at West Haven Exchange with 30% discount, then we'll come to PancakeSwap and sell it at this price. So let me show you how to purchase this token at West Haven Exchange. So here is West Haven Exchange, as you can see here. This is West Haven Exchange. So West Haven Exchange, what you do is you come to the marketplace. You click on marketplace. As you can see here, there's a lot of projects. There's a lot of projects that's been listed here at West Haven Exchange. So, but one I'm going to talk about is Sharpron Jet. As you can see here, the first project, TDT, has their margin is +1. That means if you are buying this token here, you're buying it at a price increase of 1%. The second one is -5%. You are buying this one with -5%. But this one I'm going to show you, which is Sharpron Jet, SJET, it has a -30. That means they're giving you a 30% discount to buy this token. When you buy this token, you buy it with 30% discount and you can sell it at PancakeSwap with a 30% profit. So what you do here is you click on buy. So when you click buy token, it will bring you to this page. As you can see here, with this token you can purchase it with Ethereum, USDT, or BNB, and it has only 14 days left, with about 11,000 worth of token left. So you guys should try as much as possible to buy this token as soon as possible before people buy all. Buy it here and you can go to PancakeSwap and you sell it. If you're able to wait for this token to get listed in more exchanges, you will get a higher profit, because immediately the token is being launched on the exchange, the more exchange, the price will also go up. So what you do here is click on proceed. So you need to install their wallet, just like a MetaMask wallet. So you need to do it in a laptop or a desktop. You have to go to this desktop, and the install is called the extension. Add to Google the Chrome extension. So when you add it to the Chrome extension, they will ask you to log in and take your 12 phrase words, just like you do in MetaMask. You copy it and you store it someplace. Then after you are done setting your wallet, you can add fund and purchase the the token. That's all. So you add it to your desktop, just like I said. You add it to your desktop, and once you add it to your desktop, you copy your 12 words phrase, copy it and write it somewhere, and set it up just like the way you set up your normal MetaMask wallet. Then after that, you fund your wallet and you are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.